to memorize, how to start working on memorizing these shapes. When you sort your cards, well, online, the computer is sorting our cards now, but when your hand comes into view, memorize your shape in rank order. Okay, memorize the common shape. Well, first of all, memorize the common shapes, okay, that we had on our sheet. We talked about the top 5, the top 8, the top 14, right? Have those shapes memorized, and then focus on the unseen cards divided, right? And that was from page 3, right? How are they likely to divide? Okay, and then fill in your vacant spaces based on odds, right? So when I say it's based on odds, make your decision based on odds. That's what I'm talking about. I'm talking about page 2 and 3 of the handout. And here in writing, okay, in case you guys, I said it too quickly, if there's an odd number of cards missing, the cards break as evenly as possible. That's going to be the odds. And if there's an even number of cards missing, then they break slightly uneven. And the only exception is when you have 2 missing, it's more likely they're 1-1 than 2-0. Okay, so the unseen cards divide.